There are situations where behavior is egregious, where a driver should not have been operating a tractor trailer or a bus more than the required or the mandated amount of hours. What do we do in those situations?
The most important thing to do in those particular circumstances is to continue to explain to the defense attorneys and to continue file documents for punitive damages. In New York, it's a very difficult thing to prove, but it's serious. And in order to hold companies accountable, you must file punitive damages and you must seek them at trial.
In New York State, we have compensatory damages where you're compensating an accident victim for the injury sustained. However, compensatory damages sometimes do not dissuade a particular defendant from that offensive behavior. To make it safe for people that are traversing on public thoroughfares, to prevent drivers, just like, let's say, an airplane pilot is limited in how many hours a pilot is allowed to pilot a plane. It's the same thing with commercial drivers, tractor trailer drivers, bus drivers. And we need to hold them to those standards because they're not always held to those standards.
And if you have an attorney that's inexperienced or doesn't handle those types of cases, they may not know the CDL guidelines, they may not know the federal guidelines, they may not know how to hold those trucking companies responsible. Just because that truck driver may have made a left-hand turn and struck you doesn't mean that's the only theory in the case. There may be theories in the case where the driver may have been intoxicated and the owner of the company failed to drug test them and they were aware of it, or they didn't do background checks, or they were driving a vehicle over the required limits and they didn't have a CDL, or their license was suspended. We've seen it all.